Hey everyone, the other day I was out in the back at night loading up some firewood and I had this light sitting on top of my truck. It fell off the truck, it missed my grass yard by about 2 inches, landed right on the asphalt and broke this battery. Now I don't know how much these batteries cost. This is a 3.0, I have a couple other 5.0s, but I imagine they're 30, 40 or 50 bucks and that's not going to last if I leave that. The plastic is broken, so let me show you what I'm going to do to fix this problem. Alright, so a couple of weeks ago I saw this advertisement for this plastic welding gun and I had to have it. So it wasn't that much, it was like 25 bucks or something. And so now I'm going to get to use it for the first time, and I'm going to use this plastic welding gun to repair my broken plastic battery. So here we go. Okay, so here's how this gun works. You get the gun, you get a bunch of packets, 50 pieces each of these wire stitches, or whatever you might call them. You got a gun here, you put these things inside the gun, and you pull the trigger, and this thing gets glowing hot. Let's see if you can see this. See that? Red hot. Alright, so I'm going to use this gun I'm going to melt one of these stitches right across this broken plastic. You know, like this. I'm just going to melt it right into this plastic, and let's see how this works. Let me make sure you can see this. Now, let me just make sure that there's nothing. Okay, I'm not going to burn any wiring inside here. So I'm just going to take this, and right about here, I'm going to melt this in. Let it cool down. Pull it out. And now I've got this, and I'm still going to do a little bit of work on that. But I'm going to do this 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And we'll see what kind of strength we get out of it. Okay, so that's what I have right now, and I'm still going to clean this up a little bit. Next, I want to clip off these legs. Watch your eyeballs. Look away. These things are flying. Okay, so now we have this, still kind of crude. And I'm going to take a couple extra steps from here. I mean, right now it's pretty strong. Okay, now I'm going to take a soldering iron and I'm just going to melt this plastic to fill in this gap and bury this wire. Once it gets to the right temperature, it really fills in very good. And so now I have this. And, you know, I'm still not done. But that now is super strong. That's probably stronger than the original plastics that broke. But I'm letting it cool down, but I still got these 6 sharp edges that you're going to scratch your skin on or your hand every time you grab it. So I want to clean up these little legs that I clipped off with my dikes. Alright, so now I'm looking around for something that I can grind these things down with. I got a Dremel tool. That's what I'm going to try and use. You know, whatever you got. So we're getting there, and I'm just going to clean this up a little bit with one more step, but really, I mean, I'm done, but I just want to clean it up so it looks a little nicer. Alright, and one last step, I'm just going to take some 150 grit sandpaper and just stuff it down smooth. Alright, so that's nice and smooth. Doesn't look bad at all, actually. And it is strong. And so there we are, a successful repair of a plastic part using the plastic welding gun. Got this, I mean, if you just Google it, you'll find out. And it's, like I said, it was only like 25 or 30 bucks. And it's the first time I've used it, and I'm very impressed with it. That's strong, it's durable. I just saved myself 40 bucks on having to buy a new battery. And now I'm back in business. So there you go, quick little tip. Hope you enjoyed. And until next time, thanks for watching.